Good morning, everyone. My name is Justin Lacey, and I will be your instructor for the OSTD 3005 Organizational Foundations. I'm very excited to be teaching this class. This is, I think, the fifth or sixth time I've taught it. It's always been successful. I've always had some really good students, and I'm sure you're going to continue that tradition. So, welcome to class. I'm very excited to have you. A couple quick things before class begins on August 20th. I've started to upload a couple of things to the website on Blackboard, so take a look at your syllabus, take a look at the course calendar. It's a very action-packed filled 8 weeks, but I think you're really going to enjoy it. And like I said, I think this is one of those classes that once you finish it, you're like, you know what, I really learned something in that class, and that is certainly my hope. There are a couple textbooks for this class. First off, you have the Xanadu Organizational Foundations that you can get in the bookstore or online, and you will also need the APA Concise Rules. So those are the two books. Again, all the details are listed on the syllabus, so make sure you have both of those books prior to the start of class. Once you review the syllabus, it has about all the information that you need to kind of get started. I will post a lot of information, a lot of questions for you, a lot of answers, so you should be able to get everything that you need. A little bit about me. I've worked at SLU before in human resources from 2013 to 2016, but now I am at my alma mater, Oklahoma State University. I'm the director of human resources here, and I love it. Again, it's great to be in Oklahoma. So the bad thing is, because I'm not in St. Louis, I don't keep traditional office hours. So if you need to reach me, obviously my phone number or my email address are the best way to reach me. They're both on the syllabus. I try my absolute best to respond within 24 hours, so if you send me an email or give me a call, I will definitely return your calls as quickly as possible. Again, I have a bachelor's in management from here at Oklahoma State, and I have an MBA and a JD law degree from St. Louis University. I guess I am technically a doctor, but please don't call me Dr. Lacey or Mr. Lacey. Throughout the 8 weeks, please, Justin is perfectly fine. You don't have to be so formal. So when you email me, call me, please call me Justin, not Dr. Lacey, because I wouldn't know how to respond with that anyway. For this class, again, it'll be a very quick 8 weeks, but there is a lot of information in this 8 weeks. You're going to learn all about open systems, which is a term you may or may not have heard, but I promise you will, by the end of this semester, you will definitely know what open systems is and how that will greatly help you throughout your career. There are several assignments. We have quizzes every week to make sure you're keeping up with the reading. We have a lot of assignments, but again, all those assignments I actually think you'll find very valuable. And again, the good part about this class is everything you learn will transfer to your other classes as well. There is one big research paper that you'll want to kind of start working on early, and part of that first assignment is at least giving me your company, which you're going to research, which is all in the syllabus, is due during the first week. So again, please make sure prior to the start of classes on August 20th that you read the syllabus, read the course calendar, because again, we have a lot of very strict timelines we need to keep to, because again, there's just so much information. But again, if you're struggling or you're having difficulty keeping up with the work, or you have questions, please don't hesitate to call me or email me, because again, most importantly, I'm here to help you. I'm here to make you have an enjoyable experience, and hopefully you'll enjoy the class and the material. Again, I can't tell you how excited I am to work with each one of you. I want to thank you for taking this class, and like I said, I think you'll really enjoy it, and we'll have a great 8 weeks. It goes by quickly, but I think you'll really enjoy it. Again, my name is Justin, not Dr. Lacey, Justin, and again, looking forward to working with you. Take care.